Hi everyone, welcome back to Cute Nerdy DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Tsum Tsum squishies. So this was kind of a random little challenge that I set myself, and I basically wanted to create some of my Tsum Tsums into a squishy. So I got a block of memory foam for this and started to cut the shapes out. Now Tsum Tsums are quite simple shapes, but there is a few little bits you have to add on afterwards. So for this I got some fabric glue. You can use a glue gun. Normal PVA glue and other glue won't work, so make sure you get some form of fabric glue. As you can see, for this I chose Chip and Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast and Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. I do have quite a few other Tsum Tsums, so if you would like to see some more of these, then I can make them. Just let me know in the comments. So this make doesn't use puffy paint. As always, it uses the mixture of PVA glue, acrylic paint, shaving foam, and this time I actually used some baby lotion. Now I haven't done this before, but I saw this in a video a while ago. I can't actually remember the video that I saw it in, but basically what this does, or at least what I hope it does, is it makes the squishy more glossy. So this is something I'm kind of currently experimenting with at the moment, so we'll see if it works and we'll change the recipe over time. But as you can see here, I've let the squishy dry and now it's a lot more squishy than it was to start with. So for this, Mike Wazowski needed a few layers of green to cover him up. Now the rest of them actually just needed lots of layers of white. I think overall I did about 4 coats of this. You can get this done quite quickly in a couple of days. It's just kind of about putting them somewhere that's warm for them to dry quicker. But yeah, basically this mixture is just the same as before with some green acrylic paint. It's important to make sure that you've covered this up as good as possible. Do it in quite a thick layer and make sure there's no white showing underneath. So as you can see, once it's dried, it's actually quite glossy and it's quite squishy. And the next step is to paint the white of the iron. So this video is a little bit different to my usual makeovers, but I really enjoy making these little squishies, so I thought it's worth doing one as I've not done one in a while. After this had dried, it was back to Chip and it was time to paint the details on him and Mrs. Potts. So the kind of idea for all of this bit is very simple. Just make sure that you take your time so that you don't make any mistakes, because remember you are painting onto white, so if you make any mistakes they will be more difficult to cover up. I then added the same colour grey onto the spout for Mrs. Potts. And then I got a yellow mixture and started to paint on the handle. So I don't know really how these turned out. I think they turned out quite well. I quite like the look of them. If you want to make squishies yourself, then these are really easy ones to do, maybe as starter ones or to practice. So I definitely recommend it. But yeah, it'd be really interesting to see what you think about these. So after this, I added the little yellow rim to Chip, and then I added on the little hat onto Mrs. Potts. I'd say this bit was probably the most fiddly of it because I had to paint the purple inside the hat and then I had to paint the little pink bobble, but realistically, out of all the kind of makeovers and DIYs I've done, this was probably one of the easiest ones I've done, and it was really fun to kind of compare them with the life-size Tsum Tsums. And whilst they were drying, it was time to paint on the face. So I've used my permanent markers as usual just to get a more precise finish, but basically this was just a case of looking at the real Tsum Tsum and kind of copying the design. I think in all of my DIYs, this is probably the most nerve-wracking bit because you really don't want to mess up the face. But I think it kind of turned out all right, so that's always good. And then I just had to draw on the pupil for Mike Wazowski, and after this I just went over with my Posca pen and just did the little reflection in his eye. So here are the original Tsum Tsums, the real ones. And here are my Squishies. So here's Mike Wazowski. Like I said, I really can't tell if these are good or not, so please let me know in the comment section. It'd be really interesting to hear your thoughts. But one thing that I don't know if you can notice very well, but something I could see was that they were a lot more glossy than other ones that I've done, and the paint was a bit softer. So I don't know if this is down to using the baby lotion, but I'm gonna keep trying, like I said, to make that mixture kind of perfect, and then we'll see what happens. But overall, this is actually quite a slow rising squishy, considering that it's not using puffy paint and that it's from memory foam. So next up is Mrs. Potts. Now I'm really happy with how she turned out. If I could change anything, I probably would change her little spout because I think I made that a little bit too big maybe. I don't know. Or maybe her eyes were too far apart. I'm really not sure. Like I said, please let me know because I've been staring at them for so long. I can't really tell if they are good or not. But yeah, she was quite slow rising as well. And finally, Chip. So starting from this week, I am actually going to be doing video shoutouts. So if you make any of the squishies that I do or show me your DIYs, tag me in it on Instagram and I will show it in the next video. So here they are next to each other for comparison. But yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate all the love and support, and I will see you in the next video.